welcome to Madhura's Kitchen Diaries. Our today's recipe is a starter, a fulfilling appetizer which is not just tasty but is fun to prepare. It is a part of the Cajun cuisine which is inspired by rural French cooking. The perfectly cooked potatoes topped with creamy mayonnaise and spices makes it absolutely tempting. Let us see how to prepare Cajun potatoes today. If you like this recipe of ours, please press the like button, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you. To follow us on YouTube, search for Madhura's Kitchen Diaries on YouTube. Press the subscribe button followed by the bell icon and select all option to get the latest notifications of all our recipes. Our first step is cooking the potatoes. For this, I have taken 500 gram of baby potatoes which are around 20 to 25 in number. We'll wash them nicely around 3 to 4 times. Now we will take sufficient water in a pressure cooker and place the potatoes in them. Let us cook them for 3 whistles followed by sim for around 2 to 3 minutes. If you don't have baby potatoes, you can even take normal potatoes, but they should be small in size. For that, you have to cook for 4 whistles followed by sim for around 10 minutes. If the potatoes are kept in water while cooking them, they get cooked faster. You can also keep them in a vessel. We'll allow the pan to depressurize naturally and then check whether the potatoes have got cooked with the help of a fork. The potatoes should be cooked well but at the same time not overcooked. We will discard the cooking water now and keep the potatoes on a strainer to drain off the excess water. While the potatoes cool down, we will prepare the slurry. For this, we will require 4 tablespoons of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of maida, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon mixed herbs, half teaspoon of salt. We will add 4 tablespoons of cornstarch in a bowl. Let's add 2 tablespoons of maida to it. Let us add the mixed herbs, black pepper powder and salt. We'll add water to prepare a slurry now. This slurry is basically to coat our potatoes before frying them. The slurry should not be thick, otherwise the taste of the Cajun potatoes will be lost. You can check the consistency of the slurry from the video. Our slurry is now ready. Our next step is frying the potatoes. Before that, we will first take our boiled potato and press it down gently with palm pressure so as to mash it. Take care to do this gently and to not apply too much pressure on the potatoes. We will fry the potatoes along with the skin and not peel off the skin. This gives a very unique taste to this recipe. We can see that our baby potatoes are mashed and are ready for frying. We will take sufficient oil in a pan and lightly coat our potatoes with the slurry before adding them to the oil. We will coat the potatoes with the slurry just before frying and not keep them dipped in the slurry for a long time. We will fry the potatoes on a medium heat so that they become crunchy. After around 2 to 3 minutes, we will flip the side and we can see that they have acquired a nice golden color. Let us fry on the other side for another 2-3 minutes. We'll take off the potatoes from the pan onto a tissue paper to absorb the excess oil. Let us repeat this process with all our potatoes. We can see that our fried potatoes are ready. Let us prepare the sauce now. For this, we will require 200 grams of eggless mayonnaise, half teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, you can even use paprika, 1 teaspoon mixed herbs, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon red chili sauce, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 small onion chopped well, 1 small bowl of freshly chopped coriander, 1 teaspoon of tomato ketchup, 1 cup of milk, and salt to taste. To prepare the sauce, we will first take mayonnaise in the mixing bowl. Let us add red chili flakes and mixed herbs to it. We'll add black pepper powder, garlic powder, onion powder, and Kashmiri red chili powder. Kashmiri red chili powder gives a very nice color, but at the same time it is not very spicy. You can even add paprika instead of this red chili powder. Let us add salt, 1 teaspoon of red chili sauce, and a teaspoon of tomato ketchup. Tomato ketchup gives a very nice tangy taste to this sauce. Let us start mixing it. Our sauce is ready, but it is having a very thick consistency. We'll adjust the consistency by adding milk to it a little at a time and mix it again. Let us add milk in small quantities till we are done with 1 entire glass of milk. We can see that now it has got the consistency of a sauce. Let us add half teaspoon more of Kashmiri red chili powder, since our Cajun sauce has a very beautiful orange pink color. We'll mix it nicely once again. Our sauce is ready and we can see what a beautiful color it has got. Let us start with plating now. For plating, we will require fried baby potatoes, the Cajun mayonnaise sauce, Kashmiri red chili powder, chopped onions, and chopped coriander. We'll align the fried potatoes on a plate now. Let's add a spoonful of sauce on top of it. We'll sprinkle some Kashmiri red chili powder on it. Let us add few pieces of chopped onion and finally garnish it with some chopped coriander. And our Cajun potatoes are ready just the way they prepare in Barbecue Nation. Isn't it looking creamy and yummy? It tastes equally delicious. We hope you enjoyed watching this recipe. See you in the next one.